Good morning. I am 3 minutes earlier today. I'm gonna turn the camera to the ocean, don't worry, but I just wanted to show you how ridiculous I look because I'm freezing and I can't believe it. I don't deserve to be called Russian, seriously. Anyway, turning the camera to the ocean and going to tag whoever needs to be tagged. Good morning, Michael. Good morning, Gina. I know, I wish I had a fireplace too. But it's truly ridiculous. It's 72 degrees and we're so cold. It's funny how the body acclimates. Good morning, Cindy. Yeah, definitely, Gina. We are now considered locals for sure. This is a proof. All right, it is time for us to start. And today we will continue our exploration of what it means to live an embodied life with a very important practice, the practice of grounding. It's no secret that often we feel very disconnected from the earth. And although most of us are quite used to living this way, this is actually anxiety provoking. Even if you don't notice this right away, it builds up and can eventually burst into something as big as a nervous breakdown. So, grounding is super important. And the ground is a base embodied metaphor for stability and safety, and establishing our connection to it is deeply nourishing for all of us. So let's explore this together. Take a comfortable position, and as always, consider all the circumstances of your practice, external and internal. inhabit those circumstances as a body, breathing and sensing itself. Allow your breath to be soft and easy. Don't try to control it. And find a primary anchor for this practice. It can be your breath, or it can be any other sensation in your body that is easy for you to come back to every time you notice that your mind wanders. As you settle deeper and deeper into your meditation posture, whether it's seated or lying down, notice where you touch the ground, where you touch the surface you are sitting on or lying on. Actually, throughout this practice, you can experiment with changing positions and explore sitting, standing, and lying down, because each position highlights different aspects of how we do grounding in our body. Now bring your attention to the areas of your body that are connected to the ground. Just stay with it for a little while, feeling this connection. And if your mind drifts, gently bring it back to your primary anchor. Let your weight settle, and as much as you can, drop any tension and further land on the ground. Notice if you are holding yourself up, even if it's in a very subtle way. And if it is so, relax, sink into the ground some more. Let the earth do this holding up for you. Maybe a few times, tense up your body, your whole body, and then release. Tense up and release. What do you notice with each cycle? Maybe you can land just a little bit more into the ground, into the surface you're practicing on. Stay aware of all the parts of your body that touch the ground right now. Of course, it will be different depending on your meditation posture, but whatever they are, with each exhale, send some more weight into these parts of your body that touch the ground. With each exhale, landing just a little more, sinking a little more, claiming the space you're occupying right now a little more assertively in an embodied way. Notice if there is any sense of happiness, emotional relaxation, safety that comes from contacting the ground in such an embodied way. And if possible, enjoy it. Remember to not force your breath. Just keep noticing how it flows in and out, how your body moves with the breath, and how your breath supports the grounding process. Stay embodied and grounded, just like this. And I'm going to offer you a round of inquiries, like I have been doing in this series. Remember to let the answers come from within the body. It's not a theoretical exercise. It's an embodied practice. What is the relationship between different parts of my body and the ground? For example, are some parts of my body closer to the ground? Do some parts of my body feel heavier, more relaxed in relation to the ground? Does this relationship of my body and the ground change as I breathe? What is the relationship between different parts of my body and the ground? And does this relationship change as I breathe? How does my posture change when I'm aware of the support of the ground? How does my posture change when I am aware of the support of the ground? How does my emotional state change when I am aware of the support of the ground? How does my emotional state change when I am aware of the support of the ground? Is there any image that comes to me when I am fully grounded? Is there any image that comes to me when I am fully grounded? Is there any message in this grounding process? What is it? Is there any message for me in this grounding process? What is it? As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice the support of the ground that is always there for you. Remind yourself over and over again that you don't have to hold yourself up. The ground, the earth, will do the job of carrying you. You can truly relax and soften. Thank you so much for being here today. Have a beautiful day, and I will see you tomorrow.